So as you can see over here, right, the current week, $18,000 with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Over here we have $15,000. So each week we were scaling. And you can see over here, right, the numbers has increased really fast. And the reason why is because I'm promoting the product that has a really strong upsell take rate. As you can see over here, look, you can see on June over here, and then over here we have had one day $1,400, and here I tested a new strategy with Google pay-per-click ads. So all this is possible. All this is done via using Google pay-per-click ads. So basically text ads, right? Now the beauty of Google is that you can target the buyers. There's always a buyer's intent, meaning we are looking for people, the right audiences who are already in the niche, who are already proven buyers. Okay, that's the most important thing. Now, if you want to know exactly how to do this as a beginner, as a newbie, you can let me know later. There is my Instagram, my Facebook Messenger, also my WhatsApp number, and my email where you can reach out to me one-on-one. So if you have any questions, if you're really serious and you want to have these kind of results, of course, starting with at least, let's say, $250 a day, $300 a day, and then scaling slowly from there, then of course this is all doable for you as well.